And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with the announcement from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, that Jamaica's Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clarke, has been picked to become one of its deputy managing directors.
He is set to assume the post in October. We have team coverage this evening, beginning with Javon Keys.
Very excited that Dr. Nigel Clarke is going to join our senior management team as a deputy managing director.
The news broke late Monday morning, sending shockwaves across the country. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke will be off to the multinational lending agency, the International Monetary Fund IMF, by the end of October. Kristalina Georgieva is the managing director of the IMF.
He brings hands-on experience as Minister of Finance in transforming an economy from a weaker to a much stronger position in which institutions and policies provide for a good performance and translate into jobs for the people of Jamaica.
Dr. Clarke will replace Antoinette Saye as one of the 3 deputy managing directors. There is a first deputy managing director above that rank. Locally, he's been responsible for the nation's finances since 2018. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has described Dr. Clarke's pending appointment as a historic and important development.
No citizen of Jamaica, or the Caribbean for that matter, has ever before served at this level in the IMF. It is to the benefit of Jamaica and the Caribbean for one of our nationals to serve in such a consequential global position.
While congratulating Dr. Clarke, the parliamentary opposition had this reaction.
This development raises significant concerns about the future of Jamaica's economic management and leadership. Dr. Clarke's departure comes at a critical juncture for our country as we face serious economic challenges, including the spiraling cost of living and the negative growth impact of the recent hurricane.
The senior post pays more than $450,000 or upwards of 70 million Jamaican dollars per annum in comparison to his 24 million Jamaican dollar salary package as finance minister. The new role will see Clarke becoming a major voice at the fund.
He will have responsibilities towards the programs and engagements we have with our member states. He would speak on behalf of the fund and represent me in international fora. And he will have the important responsibility to bring, through his experience, the voice of small island states to us at the fund.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.